This video demonstrates how to navigate Brightspace as a learner. Develop confidence and comfort as you navigate the common elements of Brightspace. First, the My Home icon lets you return to your organization's homepage. Next is the Course Selector. The Course Selector allows you to access all your courses through a drop-down menu. There are 3 alert icons. Message Alerts notifies you about unread mail and instant messages. Subscription Alerts notifies you about new and updated announcements and grades and upcoming due dates and end dates for course activities or assessments. Update Alerts notifies you about new blog posts and new discussion posts in forums, topics, and threads you have subscribed to. Click your name to open your personal menu. Your personal menu lets you edit user-specific settings, including your profile, notifications, and account settings. You can also change your preferred language and log out. The nav bar provides links to course-specific tools. The style, layout, and available links in your nav bar may change depending on your course. Your course homepage will also vary from course to course. However, it generally provides access to important information such as announcements and calendar items. Now you know how to navigate Brightspace as a learner. Thank you for watching.